Hi guys, do you want to add some cool transitions to make your video stand out? In this video I will show you 4 simple Capcut transitions that can make a big difference, so keep watching. These tips will take your videos to the next level. The first one is the Luma feed transition. Add your clips to the timeline. Play the video and delete the part you don't want. Place the second clip above the first one as an overlay. On the second clip, go to remove background, select chroma and use the color picker to select the color. Increase the intensity to 100 and add a keyframe. Move to the end and reduce the intensity to 0. Go to animation, select fading, increase the duration to about 1 second. Right click and show the keyframe animation. Right click on the second keyframe and select graph. Select is in 3. So here's the final results. The second transition is a film burn transition. Add your clips to the timeline. Play the clips to see how it looks. Go to transitions. Under light effect, select glare 2. Increase the duration to around 0.3 seconds. Next, go to effects. Under nice club, select vibration flash. Make the effect sync with the transition. Now see how it looks. Finally, let's add some sound effects to make it better. Go to audio and search for shutter. Choose any one you like, but I prefer this one. Sync the effects with the transitions. So here's the final results. Let's move to the third transition, which is glitch transition. Add your clips into Capcut. Go to transition, under glitch, select color glitch and set the duration. Let's add glitch video effects. Select this level glitch 2 effect. Make the effect sync with the transition. Let's add glitch sound effects. Capcut has a lot of built-in sound effects, so choose the one you like most. So here's the final result. Now let's create the final transition. Add your clip into Capcut. Delete the part of the clip you don't want. On the second clip, go to animation. Select rotation opening. Increase the duration and place it above the first clip as an overlay. Let's add whoosh sound effects from Capcut audio library. Sync the sound effects with the animation. See how it looks. Then export the video. Delete everything in the timeline and import the video we just saved. Split the part where the animation starts and ends. Then add motion blur to that part. Wait for it to process. So here's the final result. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these Capcut transitions helpful. If you try them out, let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Peace.